Hey, this is Chirag. I'm making a video on how to use the Screencast-O-Matic. So this is a tool where you can make your screen sharing videos which you want to share in your class or otherwise. So what you have to do is basically go to screencast-O-Matic.com. So there you can go to the screen recorder. You will do like a free launch recorder. Hit on that one, it will ask like recorder launched. Recorder will appear in seconds. So it will download the recorder for you. So once you are done, you double click on that exe file. So that will open the recorder for you. So once you are done with that recording, then you have different settings out there. So which you can use, like over here I'm recording my video right now. So if I need to show you how to do that, then I have like a couple of options. Like over here we can go in this video. So right in this screen you have like screen, webcam, both. So that's how it looks like. Either you can record just a screen only, webcam, or both screen and webcam. So basically what we are talking about over here is like the size. That's another option which we can use, which is either some pixels which you want to choose, or you can use the full screen. The narration is basically for recording your voice. Like over here I'm recording and test it out. So you will choose which device you're using for your microphones. Computer audio, if you want to use it or not. Then preferences, there are a couple of preferences which are giving. Normally you are good with the default ones. So that's how then you will start recording, and you will see like this sign over here on the left hand side, and you can start recording. So I'm gonna pause my video and I'm gonna see like what happens now.